Hey, Jerry, come on.
Oh, my friend, I miss you. I miss you. Hey, boss, I'm Jerry the truck seller. Super cheap truck. Just come into the shop. You can get it for little money. Here's the truck. Let's go. Oh my God. Let's measure the cargo box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 meters long. Chicken and cherry. Hey, boss. Oh my God, the super special and cherry. Plus 2 bags. So cozy. Look, it speed the gearbox by fast. Oh, have a look. Tablet. Please music. Okay.
Hey, what are you doing? Hey.
Turn on the music. Oh my God. Music beautiful. That's the power. Let's go. Yeah, that's the smell. Yuchai, 240 horsepower engine. Do you like Yuchai? Let's go. Hey, boss. Oh, look, this Shackman truck made in 2022 is super cheap, only $12,000. Have a look. Every truck in our shop is export ready. Like my trucks? Hit me up. I'm Jerry. 恭喜发财。